When it comes to buying a car, we all want to feel like geniuses. You know, like we just outsmarted the dealership and beat the system. But what if I told you some cars on the market are actually financial black holes? Cars that look good on paper but drive like regret on four wheels. Today we're counting down the 17 worst cars that no one buys, based on Consumer Reports. And trust me, some of these duds will leave you wondering how they ever got on the road. From engines that give up before 50,000 miles to repair bills that could fund your next vacation. This list is your ultimate do not buy guide. Stick around till the end because number 1 is so bad, it's basically a practical joke in vehicle form. Number 17, Chevrolet Blazer. Looks bold, drives meh. At $44,000, you'd expect power, not engine stalls, electrical gremlins, and a fuel economy that sips gas like it's happy hour. Plus, depreciation hits this SUV like a brick. Not a good look, Chevy. Number 16, Lincoln Aviator. Luxury SUV, more like luxury headache. With prices reaching $88K, you'd expect magic. Instead, you get recalls, terrible gas mileage, and electronics that behave like they're haunted. BMW and Audi say thank you for your mistake. Number 15, Volvo XC60. Volvo means safety, right? Sure, if the car actually works. The XC60 has had transmission problems, infotainment fails, and driver assist systems that need help themselves. It's pretty, but pricey and problematic. Number 14, Rivian R1T. The electric truck that turned heads and then let owners down. Software bugs, suspension issues, and recalls galore. And good luck finding a charging station that fits Rivian's unique plug. Off-road beast, more like driveway statue. Number 13, Polestar II. Cool name, even cooler design. But with Google-powered glitches, a stiff ride, and range that lags behind Tesla, the Polestar II is a shiny gadget with commitment issues. Luxury? Only if your idea of luxury includes frequent repairs. Number 12. Ford Bronco. It looks tough, but the Bronco has more issues than a reality show reunion. Fires from cracked fuel injectors, rattling parts, and a cabin louder than your cousin's lifted Dodge. It's fun off-road, but miserable on Monday morning commutes. Number 11, Buick Encore. It's compact, comfy, and then disappointing. Underpowered engine, faulty AC, clunky tech, and a long list of recalls. Sure, it's cheap up front, but so is regret. Number 10, Dodge Durango. Fast, furious, and fuel-thirsty. The V8 Durango can tow a boat, but you'll need to tow your wallet to the pump. Engine ticks, poor safety ratings, and resale value that falls like a rock. It's part SUV, part financial anchor. Number 9, Jeep Wrangler. Jeep fans, cover your ears. The Wrangler is great off-road, but on-road, think wandering steering, rust, noisy engines, and more recalls than a bad batch of lettuce. Unless you're living on a trail, it's not worth the daily drama. Number 8, Jaguar FPace. Looks like a supermodel, acts like a diva. Gorgeous design, but plagued with electronic failures, oil consumption issues, and pricey repairs. One owner said, "It drives great when it's not in the shop." Ouch. Number 7. Nissan Frontier. This truck's old-school charm wears off quick. Models before 2022 suffer from failing transmissions, chipping paint, and airbag recalls. The new ones are better, but still feel behind the curve. Rugged? Yes. Reliable? Not really. Number 6. Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid. A hybrid minivan sounds family dream. But this one's a rolling software update. Charging problems, random shutoffs, and recalls make it less green and more gremlin. Bonus, it's expensive to fix. Yay. Number 5. Volkswagen Jetta. Stylish and efficient on paper. But from 2019 to 2021, the Jetta was basically the Bermuda Triangle of reliability. Transmissions fail, electrics glitch, and crash ratings are just okay. Even older models are infamous, cute, but cursed. Number 4. Land Rover Range Rover Sport. Ah, the Range Rover. For when you want to look rich and feel broke. Stunning interior, plush ride, and then the maintenance hits. This SUV eats cash for breakfast. Multiple years suffer from electrical nightmares and mechanical drama. Quick plug. If you're enjoying this ride through car chaos, smash that subscribe button and hit the bell so you don't miss the best or worst picks in auto. Number 3. Fiat 500L. Fiat 500L. L is for let's not. Transmission failures, cramped cabin, poor safety tech, and enough recalls to fill a bingo card. Fiat discontinued it in 2021, and for good reason. It's less car, more cautionary tale. 2. GMC Sierra, 1500, big truck, big problems. Between 2014 and 2019, the Sierra was a hot mess of engine issues, transmission failures, and scary brake recalls. Poor fuel economy and resale value make this truck a second-place disaster. Number 1, Mitsubishi Mirage. Cue the sad trombone. The Mirage is cheap, but so is cardboard. Weak engine, noisy ride, poor safety, and quality that feels like an afterthought. Mitsubishi is discontinuing it for 2025, which is the kindest thing they could do for buyers. And there you have it, the 17 of the worst cars money can buy and regret. If you're shopping for a vehicle, do yourself a favor and keep these out of your driveway. Like the video, subscribe. See you in the next one.